Hey, what's going on YouTube? Todd back with another video. We'll make sure we're recording. So we are recording. So I'll make sure we're recording. So this video, we're using lead pages, and I'm going to show you how to build a landing page using lead pages. Okay. If you don't have lead pages, go ahead and sign up. My link below. Click the link and go ahead and sign up to lead pages. Lead pages is probably one of the best landing page builders on the web. I had lead pages for the past 6 months now, and this is how you will set up a landing page with lead pages and show you all the different types of lead pages you can create. So hopefully, if you're on the fence of getting an account, or you say I don't know about lead pages, I'm going to show you where you get inside. So once you log into your lead pages account, hit all the lead box, all these templates up here. The lead boxes are the boxes that, if somebody click, sign up for my ebook, whatever, the pop-up box will appear and you can edit that as well. Okay, but we're here for the landing pages. So you want to create a new landing page. All you have to do is hit create new landing page if it will load up. So hit create new landing page. And this is what it comes out. You want to generate leads, make sales, or something else. So really, I want to generate leads. All right. So they changed this. Back then, it wasn't like this, but it's a free. You can give away a free guide, or you give away a newsletter, email course. So we'll do a free guide. Give it a minute. It's gonna load all the templates for that. Alright, so there's only 6 templates for the free guide. We head back and let's say a newsletter. Okay, you get those in there. Now there's a way to see all of the make sales. So try and make sales. See, these are all the sales templates you can use. And they have a bunch more. So here's what I'm talking about. So now we can go here and click on the different types of sites. Okay, this is what I wanted. So if you're making a sales page or you're selling a course, all these great. If you're selling the YouTube type of course, this would be perfect. You can edit this page here once it loads up. Or you're a movie buff, and then has all the stuff you put in your information in, and pretty neat. You put a video in here. So we'll hit back. Let's go back. Now let's say you want to do a ClickBank product. Now I found a couple pages I do like. Let's see. You go to all types. All types will show you pretty much all of them. So give that a minute. Lots and lots of templates. And you go to the drag and drop or go to the standard. Standards, I guess, is a more of an older type of landing page that they had back in the day. That converts very high as well. Once that loads up, it's not loading up, so my computer's running really slow. There we go. Drag and drop. Sorry, I'm going too fast, but the computer's not getting slow. Okay, here we go. Back to all types. Thing is running really slow. Okay, so we want to generate leads. I'm sorry, not generate leads. We want to make sales. Make sales. And you go here, hit all types. It's much faster than this before. This is my laptop acting stupid. Go to all types. Okay, so hit all types of landing pages here. One of my favorites is this one right here. I'll go back to it. It's taking a sweet time. It's sweet. It's right here. It's my favorites right here. They're coming soon. It looks clean. Let's see if I can hit view. Let's view this real quick. Sorry, my computer's taking all day, but this is a very nice, clean theme. I mean, what are you promoting online? A money make offer. This looks wonderful. So let's use this template. Let's use this one. We'll hit use template. You got to give it a name. Okay, so give it a minute. Sorry for the wait. And why it taking so long. Alright, so we'll put test 1. Hit continue. Trust me, guys, this is much faster than this. I do apologize for the wait, but that's just my computer doing this. So, all right. So this is how you create a landing page. About time. And if you're first time using it, it does get kind of confusing. But everything here, you can just hover over and edit it. You can edit the lead box. You can edit the click event. You can throw in trash. You can edit the words here by clicking on it, writing in it. You can edit all of this stuff here by clicking on it, the different colors. You can, and this is what I had a hard time with. If I wanted to link my Aweber account to this, I didn't know how to do it. So what you have to do is click on it. Then you click on it, and you hit edit the pop-up box, I believe. Okay, so once you hit edit pop-up box, now you can edit this part as well. This is when you click on your button, this pops up. So what you do is you click this, I believe, and yes. So that's the part I didn't get. Like, how do I integrate Aweber? You click on this box and this will pop up. So you add integration. You add Aweber. This part get a little tricky. Select the list, add a Make Money Online list. Alright, give that a second. Alright, you have to delete this one. Okay, you don't need this. Delete that. Hit delete. Alright, so go to the next field. And what you could do is add a name. So want the first name. And you can hit done, and you can move it up and down. So the name, the email, then actions. You can use a external URL. So you have a clipping product. Want to put a name, email address in? You can hit this button right here, and you can just type in your affiliate link, and it will take them straight to the offer itself. You use a lead page. You use a lead page, so you create a thank you page. All your pages are here, so you put test 1 thank you page, it'll show up here as well. Okay, so you can link to that thank you page from here. So you hit back, it'll let me. Okay, so or you can remain on the page, which I would recommend that at all. Or external URL, if you give them, if you get the email address and say you take them to a blog post, this or a YouTube video, this will go here. Okay, so integration. So hit exit out there, and if you want to get back to the front page, just click the outside of the box, and there you go. This is how you create a landing page with lead pages. You select the template and select the look and feel of it. You can put a image in the background. Let's see how you do that. Let me see. Widgets, image. I think it's let's see. I haven't used this template in a while. Background. You can add an image in the background, and I I have a favorite image that I use. I like the Tesla car in the background because it matches the back. Let's see. Are you going to add it or what? Let me see. Oh, it didn't add it. Let me see. One more time. Images. Insert. There we go. Hit insert. For some reason, not inserting it. You also do page tracking as well. Google Analytics, Facebook Analytics. For some reason, not integrating the I want to change image and hit insert. It's not let me insert it, which is fine. But that's how you would do it. Change image. Let's try this one more time. We want the Tesla. Hit insert. There we go. Now it's working. So you see how you can create pages, pretty fast. I mean, you put it like this. This is a nice landing page here. You can make money online. You can remove these boxes here. Put the logo up here. You can put, click here to get free access. And this is a really good landing page. Okay. So that's it for the video. How to set up a landing page with lead pages. If you don't have lead pages, click the link below with the video. Sign up. It's a 14-day free trial. And is it worth it? Yes. If you plan on buying traffic or anything else, or you could connect it to your blog as well and create landing pages to your blog as well. So yeah, I recommend it. All right, this is Todd for TheXKing.com. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel, like and share my video, and see you next time.